Hi, welcome to Chad Her YouTube channel. Today I have for you a portable welder machine from Amazon. I'll be unboxing this cheap $50 welder and do some testing to see how it performs. So stay tuned. Okay, this is the $50 welder machine. I bought it from Amazon. Let's open up and see what's inside. Here's the owner's manual. This must be the face shield. Cheap plastic, but that'll do. Let's see, what is this? Looks like it's the glass darkening for the face shield. It feels like plastic, not real glass. It comes with 20 welding rods for starter. We'll do a test later. And these are the gloves. It comes with 2 pairs. Oh nice. It also comes with automatic darkening welding goggle for hand-free shades protections. And here's the welder cleaning brush. Now this is the welding machine. The body is all plastic but feels sturdy and not too heavy. It's actually lighter than an electric drill. Last but not least, this is the face shield handle. You simply just insert it to the face shield and lock in place. It's also cheap plastic. This is how you would connect it to the face shield. Just insert it into those 2 openings, then lock it in place. I'll put it together later. Now let's do some testing. I don't have any scrap metal for demonstration, so let's try on this metal dustpan. Okay, this is not good. Let's try something else. Okay, let's try these instead. These metal are a little thicker. Hope it doesn't melt like the other one. This handheld welding machine is not bad at all. It works okay for small metal projects. It doesn't seem to work continuously, but you get what you pay for. Still not bad. It'll get the job done. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this short video. If you do, please like and subscribe to Chad Her YouTube channel. Until then, see you next time.